I know I'd be going to meet the next Mother Nature, I guess. I can't see how it would compare.
No es una cuestión de que quiero abandonar la Tierra, sino que quiero descubrir otros mundos. Es nuestro futuro y a mí me encantaría formar parte de este gran paso de la humanidad.
Hi, I'm Dianne. I am a sustainability expert, but I'm also a circumnavigator, and I've kind of led a life being drawn by my curiosity.
Cada generación tiene sus exploradores, los que miran hacia arriba y piensan, tiene que ver más.
This era in which we are all living is the very first time in which humanity has developed the capability and the realistic dream of expanding life beyond Earth. And for me, the single journey that we can make that can contribute to answering all these questions.
Cualquier persona antes de tomar alguna decisión importante en su vida debería retirarse algún momento hacia un lugar donde exista más naturaleza.
Explorers explored. They're burst in curiosity. It's not because you already know where you're going, it's because you don't know where you're going. And the more time that I spent out at sea, you realise how much nature will guide you. The waves were telling me the direction of the wind was telling me the direction I needed to go. That connection with nature helped guide me to where I needed to be.
I can almost feel the spirit of adventure of our ancestors that used to stare at the ocean horizon and sail to see what's out there. It's like the ocean was once perhaps like a barrier, but humans transformed that barrier into a pathway, and the ocean became like a road to explore the rest of the planet. The next frontier is really space. When we look up, it feels like we are in the midst of the era where we transform that barrier into another pathway. Our oceans are older than our sun. So when we swim in the ocean, we are in fact swimming in water that has been bathed in the light of previous stars. Our oceans doesn't only give us the history of planet Earth, it gives us a sense of our interconnectedness with the universe. As modern humans in the era of living in cities and the busyness of life, like returning to the ocean is really returning to our ancient way of being. I believe it's a celebration of our humanity.
We come to somewhere like this incredible island. I had to hold myself back from pushing past everyone else at the front of the boat. Actually, it's very hard to just be a normal human being when you've got something so exciting and beautiful to leap towards.
Sí ha habido un temor de dejar muchas cosas en la tierra, ¿no? Si tuviera que irme mañana, sentiría una nostalgia por no haber conocido un lugar como este.
Creo que hay muchos ecosistemas que me faltan todavía por explorar y venir aquí ha sido una experiencia de esas que me lo demuestra. Te levantas y puedes ver un pavo real delante tuyo y luego mirar hacia arriba y ver una familia de titís en un entorno paradisíaco, idílico, que realmente podríamos vivir así en todo el planeta. Poder plantar tú los propios manglares ha sido una experiencia maravillosa y creo que nunca debemos de perder ese contacto que nos arraiga con nuestro planeta, que al fin y al cabo es una naturaleza que nos lo da todo.
The number of people that ask me, what am I going to do next? It made me wonder if the next big adventure is not physically going somewhere, but just being.
Accepting the invitation to come to Corona Island was a very natural decision to make.
Por suerte hay proyectos como el de Corona Island que nos dan ese faro, esa luz, esa intención de poder saber que somos nosotros capaces de crear ecosistemas.
It's not just a place. It's like a reminder that the world, our world, still has these incredible spaces where nature leads us and we're here to follow it. I was born of nature. We all were. And if I was to leave this planet tomorrow, and here's Mother Nature standing in front of me for the last time, I would mourn. I know I'd be going to meet the next Mother Nature, I guess. I can't see how it would compare.
3, 2, 1.
I could leave today and feel at peace, knowing that I've lived life to the fullest.